Good evening, EM203, and welcome to our third and final module of EM203. We have just finished up in week 7 doing a Google search and a library database search in order to explore information regarding your problem you've identified as something you are interested in. In week 8, you also submitted a discussion that provided a summary of information from an expert in the area. So we are beginning to build knowledge and a solution around a problem, either in the environment, in a health area. Some of you are looking at education, some of you looking at economics. So moving ahead with that, key to the next module is using digital tools to spread that information. How do we share information in a digital age? And one of the ways that we do that is through social media. So continuing to learn about Twitter, its different features, looking at trends and retweeting. You should have accomplished a quote tweet. You will also have included different ways to put your message across. Some of you are using pictures, some of you are including links, etc. This week you're going to post a tweet to a link of a website, again, that has to do with the problem you're looking at. And you can see by the number of times I've mentioned your problem that it's key you find a very specific problem and are able to word it in 140 characters or less, finding a way to share that with your group and giving each other feedback to build on that. The Twitter assignment is also coming up in a couple weeks, and that is just a summary of the process of using Twitter and learning and how you communicate with it, and the details are included in the learning assessment section. So have a read of those as the deadline gets closer, and I'll share more details then. Just checking my notes here to see what else I need to share with you. This week we are going to be looking at infographics, again creating a database of different tools for the same purpose. You can choose whatever platform you would like in order to create the infographic. I give you some examples in the link in the lesson, and then you are going to share your experience in a Google Doc so that everybody has the same information. So the last thing that some of you are probably concerned about, I have not completed all of the How Do I Learn response, and again, I'm sorry that it's taken so long. I did have a brief interlude where I did some professional teaching in Egypt, and am recovering from that trip as well. But I will get to those in the next couple days, so if you have not received your grade yet, please be assured you will receive that before the next assignment is due, of course. So have a good evening, and I hope this finds you well. Take care.